Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and today you're watching the premiere episode of Toolbox Topic. I'm here in Goodyear, Arizona with my good friend Brandon Van Looven. Brandon, how the hell are you?
I'm fantastic, thank you.
Awesome. This is Brandon's bike shop. Brandon, tell us a little bit about the shop and yourself.
We're here at Trek Bicycle Store, West Phoenix. It's a full-service bike store. We sell bikes when we have them. We fix bikes all the day long and do a little bit of fitting, a little bit of everything here.
Awesome, awesome. Now, Brandon is a good friend of mine, but I assure you he charges me more than other customers because he knows me, okay? So that's how that one works out. This video is not sponsored by anyone, nor will any of these videos be sponsored by anyone. Our opinions are our own, and what we are attempting to do with these episodes is educate the cyclist, whether you be a road biker, a mountain biker, basket riding little beach cruiser rider, on safety, proper techniques to maintain your bike, and all the cool new stuff that goes along with being a bike owner, stuff like that. Brandon, why don't you start off with talking about some of the topics we're going to talk about?
Yeah, it's going to be fun stuff. A few things we're going to be covering later on is going to be different road bike platforms. We will be talking about bicycle sizing, new gear, all the latest stuff that's coming out. Tons of e-bikes coming out. We're going to talk about e-bikes, trail topics, climbing techniques. That's going to be his wheelhouse because I don't hike and I can't climb and I can hardly ride a bike too. But the other thing, we're going to do tube change demos. We're going to talk about some proper nutrition for your rides and for your hikes. And then we're going to talk also about some personal protective equipment.
Yep, your PPE. We're not talking necessarily about face masks you wear out in public right now. We're talking about helmets, elbow guards, forearm guards, shin guards, stuff of that nature, because when you're riding, you definitely, priority should always be safety first. You want to be able to enjoy your ride and be safe while doing it. Some other things we're going to talk about are wheel truing and building. We're going to have a kid and youth segment because you want to get the kids started out, the littles, get them off the computer screen and get them out there having fun. Derailleur adjustments, which is going to go along with a full-blown drivetrain maintenance segment. We're going to talk about some myths when it comes to cycling and mountain biking, and just overall safety, general safety practices for the road and the trail, because again, we want you to enjoy yourselves, we want you to be safe while you're doing it. And some of these things actually affect, for other riders that are out there with you as far as some of the safety concerns. So it's going to be great. If you guys are wondering why I chose Brandon for my co-host for this, one, I'm a schmuck. I really don't know anything about bikes except to ride them. And when it breaks, I bring it to him and say, here, fix it, pretty much. He's been trying to teach me, I don't know necessarily how it's going. Plus, look at this guy. Look at me. You got to have some type of beauty with the brains or else it just doesn't work. This type of thing would not fly if Brandon wasn't with me. And there's a rumor, Brandon, you used to be the stunt double for Brad Pitt back in the day?
It is true.
It is true? Was that your ass in Thelma and Louise?
Briefly, but yeah.
Yeah, see, that's where he made all that money to open the bike shop, okay? What we do when we're in college is completely different to what we do in the real world. So, no, I joke, guys. Seriously, though, we really thank you for your support. We know some of you have already been here and have subscribed and you're watching the other videos. If you like what you've seen today, hit the like button. And if you're excited about future Toolbox topics, I want you to hit the subscribe button too, so you'll keep up on all the cool stuff when it happens and you won't be left out in the rain with the uncool kids, right?
Looking forward to it.
Absolutely.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, absolutely. So, guys, as always, be kind to yourself and others. Be great stewards on the trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get out, Arizona. Take care, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Brandon, we'll see you on the next one, buddy.
Yeah, man, for sure.
Have a good day, guys.
Bye.